Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Chronic pain can be so hard to deal with sometimes, and for some of us our pain gets worse when we are stressed out or anxious. If that sounds like you, then keep watching because today I am going to talk about how mental health impacts physical pain. I make videos that help you understand and manage your chronic illness or injury. And in this video, I will explain what happens in your body when you get stressed out and how that affects your pain. I will also talk about what you can do if you feel like your anxiety or stress is making your pain worse. If you stay till the end, I will share some resources with you that you can use to help find a therapist near you or online if that is an option where you live. Now, let's dive in. When you are feeling stressed or anxious, your body goes into what's called the fight or flight response. Your sympathetic nervous system gets activated, and that causes a cascade of hormones to flood your body. The fight or flight response was designed to protect you from a saber-toothed tiger, but it can cause problems if you're stuck in it all the time. When this happens, your body is flooded with cortisol, adrenaline, and other stress hormones. Cortisol shuts down non-essential functions like digestion and sex drive. Your heart rate and blood pressure go up, and your breathing becomes faster. This is so that more oxygen is available to your muscles in case you need to run away from that saber-toothed tiger. All of this is happening outside of your conscious awareness to protect you. It's a problem when you're stuck in this state and don't have a tiger to run away from. People with chronic illnesses or injuries already have heightened pain sensitivity due to their condition. So, when the stress hormones flood your body, it can really amplify your pain. When your body is in the fight or flight response, you're not getting the rest and relaxation that you need to heal. Instead, your body is stuck in this constant state of alertness. This makes it difficult to sleep and lowers your pain threshold. The other thing about stress is that it keeps you from doing the things that you need to do to take care of yourself. You might skip a workout because you're feeling down and then feel guilty, and then that just adds to your stress level. Chronic pain and mental health issues like anxiety and depression often go together. So, when you are dealing with chronic pain, it's important to take care of your mental health as well. Not only can poor mental health make your pain worse, but living with chronic pain can take a toll on your mental health. It's a vicious cycle. It's important to remember that you can't be 100% pain-free all the time. There are times in life where you're just going to feel awful. Having a bad day doesn't mean that you're not making progress. Some days are just going to be worse than others. Don't get discouraged by a bad day. Just acknowledge it and move on. You can learn to manage your pain by becoming aware of what triggers your pain and what helps to ease it. Pain is very individual. There are no hard and fast rules. What works for one person may not work for another. That means that you need to try different things and see what works for you. One of the best ways to manage chronic pain is to find healthy coping mechanisms. For example, I exercise every day. I know that if I don't, my pain gets worse. Even though some days it's the last thing I want to do, I push myself to at least go for a walk. I have found that exercise releases endorphins and helps me feel better overall, not just in my body, but mentally too. Other good options for managing pain are yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises. These practices have been shown to reduce pain and increase quality of life. Other people find relief through journaling, art, or music therapy. Find something that works for you and make it part of your daily routine. You should also get enough sleep. Sleep is important for healing. When you don't sleep enough or very well, your pain can get worse. Also, pay attention to what you eat. Some foods can trigger inflammation. Everyone reacts differently to food. So keep a food diary to see if you can identify any patterns. Pain is complex. It's not always physical. Sometimes it can be emotional or psychological. When you have chronic pain, it's important to take care of your whole self, mind, and body. Taking care of your mental health can improve your physical health and vice versa. Sometimes we hold on to pain, whether it's physical or emotional. We might think that we have to suffer in order to be strong or overcome something, but holding on to pain isn't helping us. In fact, it's making it worse. When we're in pain, it's easy to blame ourselves. We might say things like, "I'm not trying enough, I'm not strong enough, I'm not doing the right things." The negative self-talk can become a self-fulfilling prophecy. It's important to be kind to yourself. Don't beat yourself up for having pain or being in a bad place sometimes. Here are some things you can do to take care of yourself. Number 1, talk to someone you trust. Talking about how you feel can be a great relief. You could talk to a friend, family member, clergy member, or anyone who is willing to listen without judgment. Number 2, practice mindfulness or meditation. These practices can help you focus on the present moment and let go of negative thoughts. I have a playlist of guided meditations that you can use. The link will be below. Number 3, engage in activities that you enjoy. Make time for the things that bring you joy. This could be reading, gardening, or spending time in nature. Whatever you choose to do, make sure it's something that brings you happiness. Number 4, set realistic goals. Don't set yourself up for failure by setting unrealistic expectations. Break down your goals into small, achievable steps. This will help you build confidence and a sense of accomplishment. Number 5, practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful way to shift your focus to the positive. Write down 3 things that you're grateful for each day. You can do this longer. I have a video about gratitude and how it changes your brain. The link will be below. Number 6, treat yourself with kindness. Be patient and understanding with yourself. You wouldn't be so hard on someone that you love. So don't be so hard on yourself. I know that finding a therapist can be difficult, so here are some resources to help you find one. The first one is Therapy Den. Here you can search for therapists by location, insurance, and specialty. They have a directory of over 150,000 therapists. You can use the filter to find one that specializes in working with people with chronic pain or mental health concerns. The second resource is Psychology Today. On their website, you can search for a therapist by your location or insurance. They have a large directory of therapists, and you can read their bios to find someone that you feel would be a good fit for you. The third option is online therapy platforms like BetterHelp and Talkspace. Talkspace allows you to connect with a therapist via video, phone, or instant message. BetterHelp is similar, and they also have financial aid available. If you're struggling to pay for therapy, there are options. Many universities have counseling centers where you can get therapy at a reduced rate. You can also check with your local community mental health center. They usually offer sliding scale fees based on your income. I hope this video has been helpful. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And, as always, I wish you all the best in your healing journey.